Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network. We're going to do a hover, like a Maiden. Hover and just a couple punches and rollouts and just kind of just get a feel for the project Old School here. She's a ZMR 2, or no, I'm sorry, LHI. I keep wanting to say ZMR because Jack's rig is a ZMR. This is a LHI 250 build, 6-inch. And it's got the Old School CC 3D flight controller on her. So, here you go, Jack. You're going to film and I'm going to try and go that way.
Okay.
Let's get her plugged in here.
You can't even see the screen.
Yeah, I know, it's hard to see the screen. Is that sun? Okay. Alright, let's go this way. No, you gotta be on the drone.
Don't judge me. The video's right. I can't see.
Cover's pretty good. She's got a little bit of shake to her, Chris, if you're watching this. So.
I got that.
In your back. You on it?
She's mad.
Yep. Got a little bit of dance when you get back on the throttle. She's pretty stable though. Bring her back over here a little bit and let Jack get on her with the camera. That's about as close as I want to get.
Whoops. Oh. No, split it like acro.
A little bit of a dance there.
Whoa.
Yeah, I told you it's quick.
No, like it went.
Yeah, it's that pitch.
It's not even like that. It's like that.
Yeah, it's that pitch. Now wait till you see an acro.
Oh
an acro I can switch it
gosh.
whatever way I want, but baby steps.
See, it's not even like that. It's like that. That's what makes it so cool.
Yeah, I can't wait to put an FPV camera on this thing.
Whining like a baby.
No, that's like a growl, man. Like, I'm mad.
Uh-oh, there's some birds coming in.
Look at a jet taking off.
The jet?
I bet you I could run him down. Not. That's an actual jet. I can hear it.
Dang, there's even an FPV camera on that.
Ooh, she's dancing a little bit.
Woo.
Okay, Jack. Alright guys, I just wanted to get a little bit of a hover going. Bring it over here. Here she's good to go. So we'll have to see if we get that dance out of her, a little bit of tuning, but yeah. That's it. Up right here on me. Up here on me, Jack. All right, guys. We'll catch you next time. Go ahead and end the recording.